Hi friends. So this is our last class on negation. We will end this section with a very simple exercise for you, and that is non-verbal negation by using negative words. Words with negative prefixes. That is negative. So here we have one. He is not happy. He is unhappy. Understand? Like simple. It is not necessary. It is unnecessary. You are not responsible. You are irresponsible. That boy is not regular. That boy is irregular. She is not attentive. She is inattentive. This is not common. This is uncommon. Your document is not legal. Your document is illegal. His guilt is not pardonable. His guilt is unpardonable. This is not possible. This is impossible. This is not historical. This is unhistorical. His behavior is not human. His behavior is inhuman. This is not relevant. This is irrelevant. What he says is not correct. What he says is incorrect. She is not patient. She is impatient. The spirits are not visible. The spirits are invisible. Understand? So as simple as that. Alright? So what you have to do is add a negative prefix. Happy, unhappy. It is not necessary, unnecessary, not responsible, irresponsible, and that regular, irregular, irresponsible, irregular. Not attentive, inattentive. This is not common, uncommon. Document is illegal. His guilt is unpardonable. Unpardonable. And then you have not possible, impossible, impossible, historical, unhistorical, behavior inhuman, irrelevant, then incorrect, impatient, and invisible. So these are the common negative prefixes. There are many negative prefixes like ignoble, noble, ignoble, you have got Christ, Antichrist, war, anti-war. So you have got many, but these are most responsible, very common. So with this we come to the end of our section on negation. So you remember I told you, you have got a negation, then verbal, non-verbal. Verbal has got a primary and secondary. Non-verbal has a negative words and also negative, what do you call this? Just now I told you, prefixes. Understand? So bye, have a nice day, enjoy your life, wait for the next session. Most probably it will be on auxiliaries, English auxiliaries. Okay? So before we go, let's put on some confidence. Out you troublesome virus, killer of men and animals. Get the hell out forever, now, right now, from here. I hope you have been following and you are enjoying my classes and you are getting some benefit out of that. In that case, definitely you should share this with your friends. Okay? and be academic, be alert. Bye.